Do you want to scroll Instagram Reels automatically without lifting a finger? Then this new auto scroll feature on Instagram is going to be pretty useful for you, so just follow my steps in order to enable it and start using it. But before we start with this video, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing because it would really help me out. The first step is to open your Google Play Store or your App Store and then check if you have the latest version of the Instagram application installed on your phone. This is a new feature which Instagram has rolled out, so make sure to update the app and then we can go over and open it. I'm on the homepage of Instagram, but let's go over to the Reels section by tapping on this little icon. And now I'm in the Reels section, so I can use my finger to scroll manually, as I've done for many years. But in order to watch these Reels hands-free and let them scroll on auto mode, I'll tap on the three dots at the right side of the screen, and then you should be able to see a menu just like this one. You'll see a new auto scroll feature at the very top, and just toggle that on to enable it. It's currently not available in my account because they're probably rolling out the feature. And if you don't see the feature for your account just yet, then it will probably be available in a week or two. Just make sure to update the app regularly, and then you'll get the auto scroll feature for your Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching, and enjoy everyone.